Hello students, chapter number 6, standard 6, chapter number 1, we are doing the revision. Now, few questions we already did in the last few sessions. We are going to continue with some others. Insert commas suitably according the Indian system of numeration and write the number name. Write the number name in following. First one we will take 732 833 965. Now we know that according to the Indian system of numeration, we have the place values like ones place, tens place, hundreds, then thousand and 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, and so on. And we know the commas. We put commas. We start from the rightmost number. First comma will be after the 3 digits, and then next two digits we put the commas. So here first we will put commas 732833965. First 3 digits, then 2 digits, then 2 digits. Now the number name. We know that ones place, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and 10 crore. So here it is 73 crore. So it is 73 crore. Then how many lakhs? 28. 28 lakh. Then 33,000. 33,965. 965. So be careful when you have to put the commas and a number name. Read properly that it is the Indian system or the international system. Because in the international system, this number will be written differently. Let's take one another also. 54039 So here first of all we will put commas 540391209. So start from the 3 digits, 2 digits, and 2 digits. So here 54 crore, Now there is no 10 lakh, only the lakh, so 3 lakhs. 3 lakh. Then 91,000. Two hundred and nine. 209. So in Indian system, we have to write down like that 3 digits, then 2 digits and 2 digits and so on. Now we will take some other and we will check about the international system. So insert commas suitably according the international system of numeration. And write the number name. Of the following or in following. We can take the same numbers also. 732, 833, 965. I took same number so that you can understand that in Indian system what is it called and in international. So in the international the commas will be after each 3 digits starting from the rightmost number. So 732833965. We will start comma 1 2 3, another 1 2 3, and there is already 3. So now the place values are also different. Up to here it will be fine. Unit digit, tens, hundreds, then thousand, 10,000, but not lakh now, 100,000, and then million, 10 million and 100 million. So here this number is 732 million. Here it was 73 crore, but here it is 732 million. So 732 million 833,000 833,000. The last we know that 965. 965. So numbers are same, but because of the commas and the system in the Indian and international, the number name is totally different here. We will take the second example also, same number. 540391209. So here also 540391209. So from the rightmost digit 1 2 3 1 2 3 and there is 3. So Same like that. If it is only just 2 digit here, then it will be 40 million. But here 3 digits are there, so 540 million. 540 million. Then 391,000. 391,209. 209. So, Indian system we are already familiar with it, that 3 digit 222 and so on, and we know the number place value and the number, the like units place, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and so on. But in the international system, after 10,000 it start 100,000 and then direct million, 10 million and 100 million. Now next, write Roman numerals for the following. So some numbers are given, you have to write down the Roman numerals. First one is 64. Now 64, 60 means 50 plus 10. L is for 50, X is for 10. Now 4, you know that 4 how you write down? 4 means 5 minus 1. So LXIV is the Roman numeral for 64. Another one, say 80. Now 80 is very simple actually. 50, 60, 70, 80. That is the Roman numeral for 80. Take third one, say 38. So now for 38, very simple, 10, 20, 30. 8 means 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is the Roman numerals for 38. Let's take 94. So now 94, we know that 90 is 100 minus 10. What is the Roman numerals for 100? That is C. If we have to subtract 10, 10 is written as in the front. So this is 90. X, C is 90. 4, we know that IV. That is the Roman numerals. Now reverse. Write Hindu Arabic. It is called Hindu Arabic numerals. For the Roman numerals, means the Roman numerals will be given and we have to write down its, like this is our Hindu Arabic numerals. So that is, first one is L X X V I. Now what is this number for? Now this L stands for 50. Then another 10, 60, another 10, 70. V is for 5, so 75 plus 1, so it is 76. So answer is 76. Second one. Second one is LVII. What is L stands for? 50 plus 5, 55 plus 1 and 1, so 57. So that is for 57. Then we can take another one like XCI. Now we know that C is for 100 and X is before it, so 100 minus 10 is 90, and then 1 is at the back, so it is 91. Then we can take another number like LVII. L is for 50, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 58. So now here we can take some another numbers, like we'll learn about the nearest hundreds and thousand, but I want to take some more example of tens also. So next question is round off the following to the nearest tens. Nearest tens. First one is like 583. So now 583 is between 580 and 590. So when we write down the nearest tens, it means that we have to check only the last digit. If the last digit is 5 or more than 5, in the place of that digit we have to put 0 and add 1 to the tens digit. And if the last digit is smaller than 5, means either it is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then we write down 0 in that place and other two digits or other all digits we have to keep the same. So here the last digit is 3, which is less than 5. So in place of 3 we will write down 0. We don't anything. So the nearest tens of the 583 is 580. Second, we will take 7,287. Now here the last digit is 7, which is more than 5. So as I told you, in place of that we will put 0, and as it is more than 5 we have to add 1 in the another, so 9, so 7,290. Third one, 7,599. Now here the last digit is 9. It means you have to put 0 here. Then you have to add 1 here. So 759 plus 1, what will be? 760. So its nearest tens value is 7600. So that is also very important when there is 99 at the last place. Then the value of 12 at the nearest 10. What will be that number? So the last digit is 2, so less than 0, so 0 and 1 will be as it is. So that is the way we have to write it down. And then next question is round off the numbers to nearest hundreds and simplify. Nearest hundreds and simplify. It means here we have some addition or multiplications are given. And first we have to write down the numbers in the nearest hundreds and then we have to do the necessary addition or subtraction or whatever is there. First one is 517 plus 392 plus 108. So now first we have to round off up to nearest hundreds. So now converting in nearest hundreds. So 517. So here the 1 and therefore it is less than 5, so we have to put the last 2 zeros and the number as it is. So the nearest 100 of 517 is 500 plus now 392. So the second digit is 9, which is more than 5. So the last 2 digits will be 0, but in the third digit we have to add 1 because that second digit was more than 5. So 3 plus 1 will be 4. So 392 in the nearest 100 will be 400 and plus 108. So now 108 is 100 and the answer will be 500 plus 400 is 900 and 900 plus 100 is 1000. So here approximately we can write down the answers by rounding up them up to nearest hundreds. So here we are going to finish the session, which is followed by the PDF, and any confusion write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.